Hi, my name is Jerry Gerlinger. I'm the president of FlexCart, and I'm here today to introduce you to one of our new carts in our expanded product line called the FC200. The FC200 is similar in many ways, whether it's the high quality that it's built with, or the mobility, or the professionalism that it presents as you use the cart. The difference is, if you are familiar with our original cart, this front compartment has been removed and we've extended the drawers. It's the same size cart. The reason why we did that is that the size and shape of our carts, the original cart especially, was just loved by so many people. You had the ability to move it extremely easily. So we wanted to keep that. We kept the same great wheels. You can see also that it's very narrow, just like the original design. Makes it easy to move it throughout the facility. You can get it into a tight elevator. You can put it on through a tight hallway, weaving in and around carts of other types. So we really wanted to make sure we maintained that mobility aspect. Also, we kept all the wonderful organization that we've got in the original cart. Only we have a bigger drawer of it. So it comes complete with these bins in the drawers. It's a simple thing, but boy, it profoundly changes how this cart works. Because now you've got a spot for everything, and you carry just 2 of something or 20 of something instead of the whole box of 100. It makes it a lot lighter, and it makes it you able to do a lot more work in the same space of time. You can also see we've got them in the 3-inch drawer, the 4-inch drawer. The bottom 3 drawers are empty, and you can lay in tools in here real nicely. This cart serves well as a trades cart. So it can be set up as an electrician's cart, a plumber's cart, locksmith. There's a number of types of people who use this cart and love it because they have the organization and they also have the mobility, the ability to take it with them. They never hesitate because it's so easy to move. Let me take you around and show you some of the other features, some of which you may be familiar with, but maybe not. So let me show you. We include a small vise. There's a hole in the back here that allows you to run a piece of material through, and you can clamp it in the vise and cut it off. So we replace a 10-pound vise for all the small things that you would need a vise for. You can see we've got a bin on the bottom here. When you buy our carts with the complete set of tools, a vacuum is put in there, but you can use that spot for anything. It's a large storage space. In the back, it's got its own trash can, a heavy-duty storage spot for things that are wet or messy. And then you've got a spot back here for gallon cans or tall bottles and cans, things you can't lay down in the drawers. You've also got this really great panel on the back side that allows you to carry all the things you used to pile on top neatly on the side. Large pockets, long pockets, straps. It's just a wonderful place to organize with. And then you've also got a place on the front here to carry up to a 6-foot ladder. So here's a 4-footer. I'm just going to put it on here so you can see. And then we've also got a way to lock that ladder on the front of it for you. So very easily keep it from being taken. Additionally, you've got a nice utility hook on all of our carts now that allows you to carry maybe an extra piece of equipment, a vacuum, a large cord, or it'll also accommodate our new clean case hidden plunger, which is a great way to carry a plunger around where nobody knows that you're carrying a plunger. And it hangs neatly right there. Now, one thing that people love about the original cart is security. We kept simple, effective security on this cart. Here's how you lock it up. This cover hides behind the bag, pull it out, hook it on one side, lock it on the other. Very, very simple. Keeps people from getting into the bag. The drawers, this rod, which stores in that hole, just goes down through another hole and locks right there. That allows simple locking of the front drawers. And I just showed you how the ladder locks. So we give you 3 locks, all keyed alike, and they all go in these spots, and you're able to lock up immediately as soon as you get the cart. Another nice feature is this work surface. So folded down, you get a large work surface. fold it up, you get a box to carry things down through the hallway. And if you would ever need to, this surround comes off and allows this whole thing to be flat if you'd like. Other things that I can tell you about this, you know, the professional nature of this cart, I guess, is probably one of the most valued aspects of it when it's being used in the facility. When you compare it to how carts typically look, it ends up looking, all of our carts end up looking so much more professional. So you've got, you know, the security, the organization, professionalism, all aspects of the original cart carried forward into this cart. So if you have any further questions or interest in talking about this cart, please feel free to call me directly at 614-348-2517. Thanks.